The exposure of individuals to the COVID-19 shot. And, this is something I've
Yeah.
published about. We looked at a cohort of women who were unvaccinated, didn't get COVID, and wanted to see, what the impact of those on those women was of being in close proximity to vaccinated individuals. And so you ended up testing my family for presence of spike protein. You did it, based on electrical current analysis. It wasn't a biochemical assay, but I'm very, very thankful for that because, just because you didn't get the vaccine does not mean that you were not exposed. Correct?
Yeah, absolutely. Unfortunately, that's the case. So the quick down and dirty of that, we worked with Dr. Nathan Petersburg of Creative for Health, who's a brilliant scientist and physician. And he uses a process that goes all the way back to Tesla, Nikola Tesla, and it's
Right.
based on biophysics. It's a quantum-based approach, and it looks at electrical signatures. All things in our universe have electrical signatures. And so what Dr. Petersburg and his team were able to figure out, they're one of our partners, what they were able to figure out is not only is it the spike protein that we were able to track, but that we're able to track the synthetic mRNA and the vaccine. And what we're finding is that up to 80% of the unvaccinated have the COVID-19 vaccine, the spike protein, and the synthetic mRNA. And we can go deeper into that if you want to. We've written papers on it. I can send people there, or maybe we can get information to you there. But there's a lot of information, and basically, it's not about the vaxxed versus the unvaxxed anymore. Because when you look
Right.
into it and you look at what the industry was telling us for the last 25 years, it's actually self-amplifying. They designed it to not only amplify in the body, but then to amplify from person to person. And they've been telling us that they were going to do this, that they being the scientific community and the pharmaceutical realm. So we were able to determine that, and not only were we able to determine there's 20 different components that people that are disrupting and causing problems within the human person, within the body. Sorry, and if you were injected, it's somewhere between 16 and 20 components, and if you received it by transmission, it's usually 12 to 14 different components. Dr. Petersburg has also developed a remedy. It's a homeopathic remedy that's actually removing those things and helping the body to heal itself again. So it's pretty amazing what we're able to see and do